Compton, and we're starting out today with a number talk. So get your brains ready. We are starting with 31 minus 18. Okay, so make sure you are giving yourself enough time to think. What is 31 taking away 18? All right, I think we need to hit pause right now so we can all think about strategies, right? So you want to think about your best strategy. All right, hit pause. Okay, I'm ready to take my guesses. I'm gonna guess. So many of you used a number line in your brain. Raise your hand if you did a number line in your brain. Okay, so 31, I put on my number line, and I'm starting there, and I'm gonna take off. So I'm going to the which way? Right or left? Left. Okay, so we have to take off 18. So let's see. Did you take off 10 first? Maybe you split the 18 into a 10 and an 8. So let's do that. I'm gonna guess some of you did that. So minus 10 would take us from 31 to 21, right? And we know that because we know what a hundreds chart looks like in our head. I was going to try to show you mine, but there's writing all over it. Okay, so we would land right here on 21. And we still have to take off 8 more. Maybe you would hop back by ones 8 times. I think I need to make this longer. So maybe you would say 21, 20, 19, 18, and you would take off 1, 1, 1. Or maybe you would hop back 1 to get to 20 and then take off 7 more. What did you do? Tell me, is there a number line in your head? Can you see it? Which way is your brain thinking about this? Okay, I'm going to guess. I'm going to make this longer. And I guess I need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hops. Each hop is worth 1. Oh my goodness. Woo! Okay, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Okay, where's our answer? Is it 31? Is it 10? Is it 18? No, it's 13. It's the number we landed on, right? Okay, more guesses. I'm going to guess some of you actually added up. So maybe you started at 18. And you tried to figure out what you could add to it to make 31. Did anybody do that? Ooh, I bet so. Okay, so let's see. If I have, I think I actually have 31 right here, but the question is, will I drop things? Okay, so here's 31. I randomly just had exactly 31 sitting there. Okay, wait, that's only 30. So I had to put the blue one back on. Okay, 30. Good news. I have tools everywhere. 1. Whew. Okay, so if we started with 18, can she do it? Can she do it? Okay, 18 to start with. What would you have to add to get to 21? So that's another way we might be thinking about it. So maybe you thought 10, 11, 12, 13. We'd have to add 13. I don't know. What is your brain doing? Is it going crazy? Do you have so many strategies? You're like, pick mine, pick mine, pick mine. And I didn't say it. All right, let's try out another one. I've got another question for you. 31 minus 9. Okay, so I want everyone to hit pause. Think about your very best strategy. We're going to come back together. All right. Hit pause. And we're back. Okay, so 31 minus 9. I'm going to guess that some of you thought about it as 31 minus 10 is 21. So then maybe you said 31 minus 9 is 22. Or maybe you said it's 20. What do you think it is? So is it 20 or is it 22? We know it has to be right around what this is, right? So let's see. If we think on a number line, and we start at 31, and we take off 10, we'd end at 21, right? We already knew that. But do we need to take off 1 more or 1 less than 10? That's the question. one less. So we have to stop right there. That's good old 22. If I take off one more, then I'm going to take off 10. Oh my goodness. So many things to consider. So my answer is 22. All right. I'm so energized right now. I think I'm ready for our story. We're going to talk about the zoo and the animals in the zoo that eat some fish. We've got the alligators ate fish in the morning. They ate more fish than the walruses. Okay, so imagine the alligators in your mind. Okay, now they're eating a lot of fish. Imagine it. You see it? It's almost scary. I feel sorry for whoever has to feed them. I don't want my hand grabbed off by the alligator's mouth. Okay, so they ate more fish than the walruses. How many fish did the walruses eat? All right, let's try it out with some number sets. You've got 20 and 11, 34 and 14, 76 and 37, or if this is your just right number set, you may choose 201 and 102. But make sure it's your just right number set, not your brothers or your sisters or your moms or your dads or your BFFs. Your just rights. Okay, so here we go. The alligators ate 20 fish in the morning. Okay, let's see it, alligators. 20 fish. Got my two. Oh, man. I forgot I had put the other one on, so I have to turn it back into a... There we go. 20 fish. The alligators ate 20 fish in the morning. They ate 11 more fish than the walruses. So this is 11 more fish than what the walruses ate, right? So are the walruses going to eat more than 20 fish or less? That's a big question. Okay, how many fish did the walruses eat? Okay, it's your turn. It's your turn to grab your tools and your brains and your number lines and your whiteboards and markers and get to work. I'll see you next time, kids. Bye.